Yo guys, in this video, we will teach you how to install mirror caps for BMW M4 G82. This is our new design replacement dry carbon fiber mirror caps. We will use this print tool to remove the original mirror caps so we can replace our new mirror caps. First, print here with our little print tool, and then check out this place, print it in the same way. Just like this original mirror cap will be removed. Because there is a light bar connected with our mirror cap, so we have to disassemble this light bar. There are two nails in here, let's unscrew it. After that, push the light bar out from here. Pull the middle buckle gently. We can easily take out this light bar if we pull out the buckle. And let's use our print tool to print out this wire plug. That's all, the disassembly is done. First of all, let's connect the wire to the light bar and install the light bar to the mirror cap. Remember, we need to align with the middle buckle inside. After that, screw all the nails tightly. After we finish the installation of the light bar, we need to install our mirror cap. First, let's align with this place inside. And we need to make sure align the buckle to the right position. Just push it gently. Make sure all the buckles align with the right positions. And the installation is finished.